Hello everyone, I am Shikha Duggal from Oriflame India. This month is very special for us as we celebrate the Festival of Lights. It's time for celebration, fun, joy, happiness, and most importantly, bonding with your loved ones. In this big Diwali special catalog, we bring to you some of the amazing new products and great deals, which makes us a perfect gift for your loved ones or to simply treat yourself this festive season. Let's have a look.
Bring out the gorgeous diva in you with Verimi Peach Me Perfect Skin Glow. This tinted moisturizer provides you with a peachy natural glow, making you look radiant and beautiful. With winter right around the corner, the dry weather and lack of moisture makes the skin dry and lips chapped. Feast yourself to superior moisturization and keep dry skin and chapped lips away with Essentials Cold Cream and The One Lip Care Lip Balm. With notes of green apple, caviar lime, and strawberry, this feel-good fragrance will leave you smiling time after time. It's the ultimate way to express your irresistible zest for life. Now you can match your jewelry with the colors of your outfits with our majestic color-changing necklace and earrings. They are available in 4 different colors to fit your changing needs. Give a gift of pampering to those who are passionate about beauty and care. These perfume body creams come in 2 variants, Possess Perfume Body Cream and Love Potion Perfume Body Cream. They will surely love it. What is better than gifting a woman a makeup product that helps to enhance her lashes? Presenting you the One 5-in-1 Wonderlash Waterproof Mascara and the One Volume Blast Mascara. Everyone loves to use high-quality skincare. Even men. Give them something that's not just manly but also caring. Oriflame North for Men is not only a high-quality skincare range but also comes with amazing fragrance. Look radiant and glow naturally with Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls. Handcrafted in Italy, these illuminating pearls are perfect for the Festival of Lights.
Diwali is the time when one does not shy away from bold, beautiful, bright colors. There is pink, red, maroon all over the place. Well, when the mood is so vibrant, why not your makeup? And so we bring to you the all-new bold and beautiful cosmetic range of The One Express. This new range helps to express your individual style with colors this festive season.
Customize your own beautiful lip looks with The One Express Lip Crayons. These lip crayons combine pigment color with shea butter, which not only make your lips look beautiful but also keep them hydrated. Mix and match these gorgeous colors to create unlimited looks. Take a look at 2 ways you can wear The One Express Lip Crayons. Go wild with color and rock your own look with The One Dual Drama Kohl Eye Pencil. These double-ended eye pencils let you unleash your inner artist by delivering 2 shades in one eyeliner. These highly pigmented shades not only glide on easily but also come with color-fast finish that stays put. Take a look. Put your manicure in spotlight with The One Nail Paint. Style your nails with these limited edition shades from The One Express collection. They come in trendy textured finishes, which can be worn individually or together to create a unique look. Check out the nail art technique which you can create using the One Nail Paint. Complete the collection, get the One Express Cosmetic Pouch. This limited edition, fun colorful pouch is perfect to store all your favorite makeup finds.
At Oriflame, we believe in taking inspiration from nature and respecting nature. In line with our philosophy, we are very happy to introduce you to the all-new Love Nature range. Love Nature loves oceans. It helps to reduce impact on water in 3 beautiful ways. The rinse-off products come with biodegradable formulation. The exfoliating products say no to plastic microbeads. And the hair care products are silicone-free. Let's have a look.
Feel the energy on your skin with the all-new Love Nature Energizing Raspberry and Mint. A magical combination that awakens, delights and energizes your senses and smells. Absolutely divine. As you all know, aloe vera plant is enriched with moisturizing properties, while olive oil is rich in vitamin E and helps soften and improve skin tone. Love Nature olive oil and aloe vera combines the two to give you soft and hydrated skin, along with leaving it beautifully fragranced. Bring the moisture back to your hair with Love Nature Wheat and Coconut Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. Wheat protein provides a protective shield on the hair surface, while coconut oil moisturizes the hair to keep it softer, stronger and shinier. For some extra nourishment, do try out the Love Nature Hair Oil Coconut Oil and Love Nature Hot Oil for dry hair. It's time to pack your gifts with love in the Oriflame gift box.
Well, it's our 50th year and we cannot forget the anniversary time offer. Just like last month, we bring to you anniversary time offer on your favorite 2 products. Let's have a look.
Follow the 4-step process to get revitalized and purified skin with Love Nature Tea Tree Facial Kit. Tea tree controls excess oil and purifies the skin, leaving it looking healthy and mattified. Your favorite Milk and Honey Gold Smoothing Sugar Scrub is on anniversary offer. This luxury sugar scrub is infused with organic extracts of milk and honey.
This is all for now. We at Oriflame wish you a very happy Diwali and may this festival of lights bring joy and happiness to your entire family. Have a safe and eco-friendly Diwali. Bye.